Fendall Pure Flow 1000. ANSI/Estação Z358.1 to 2014 covers emergency showers, eye washes, eye/face washes, and combination units, and it is intended to provide uniform minimum guidelines for their performance, use, installation, test procedures, maintenance, and training. Each clause details a separate type of equipment. For all this equipment, including emergency showers, eye washes, and similar equipment, the American National Standard states that the flushing liquid's velocity and quantity should be controlled, and that a control valve should be simple to operate and go from off to on in 1 second or less. The valve should also be resistant to corrosion. The ANSI regulations allow for 2 different kinds of eye wash station. Permanent, plumbed-in eye wash stations. Portable, gravity-fed eye wash stations. Both types of eye wash station must discharge water at a rate of 0.4 gallons per minute at a pressure of 30 psi for at least 15 minutes. Be capable of being activated in under 1 second, via a hands-free, stay-open valve. Flush and irrigate both eyes simultaneously. Honeywell offer gravity-fed eye wash stations as the Fendall Pure Flow 1000 that has the following features. Can be easily and affordably placed near most workplace hazards with single bracket mounting device or transported with optional. Easy installation, no plumbing required. Factory sealed fluid cartridges eliminate mixing, measuring, and the opportunity for airborne particles or microorganisms to contaminate the fluid prior to use. Easy to activate sure grip handle provides instant, simple activation. Unique nozzle design delivers a soft ribbon of our buffered eye saline solution. Permits thorough flushing with the constant flow rate and stream height that provides 0.4 GPM for entire 15-minute cycle required by current ANSI Z358.1. Captures waste fluid to eliminate spill hazards and simplify fluid disposal. Integral valve at bottom of unit allows easy draining of reservoir after use. 24-month cartridge life, at least 4 times longer than other primary self-contained. Cartridges, sold separately. Cartridges remain sealed until activated. Expiration date is included on activation straps and cartridge replacement takes less than 5 minutes. Made in the USA. Thank you for watching.